Welcome to Trading with Rob and Maria. Today is November 13th, 2025. I'm Rob Helmick. I used to be an internet CEO and an attorney, and for 40 years I was a professional gambler. My wife Maria was a banker. We run multiple funds trading just options since 2020, and we've been doing that every day since 2020. Before that, since 1985, we've been trading stocks. When we started this channel, the idea was to help people in their trading, and we got a lot of feedback from people saying, your accounts are too big, could you get a smaller account so we can be more relatable to the type of size accounts that we have? So we looked at it and we created a $30,000 fund about 75 days ago, September 1st. And the idea is we're going to do just 6 trades a day. Normally we do 120 to 150 trades a day. We're just going to do 6 trades a day in this account. They're all going to be multiple entry iron condors. So you're going to have a put credit spread that's going to be put on for $1.85 credit. You're going to have a 50 wide wing and a 95% stop loss. Then you're also at the same time going to put on a call credit spread. You're going to do it for a $1.85 premium. You're going to do it for a $50 wing, and you're going to do it for a 95% stop loss. We're going to put that on 6 times a day. Make sure I get it in here. 6 times a day. And we have a 7th trade, which is we call the gambler's bonus, because I used to be a gambler. And that's going to come on with about 10 minutes left to go. It'll be the same sizing. So let's take a look and see where we are in this. So like I said, we're doing 6 trades a day. We started at 30,000. We look at it every 2 weeks or so. We lost the first 2 weeks. The next 2 weeks we had a winner. The next 2 weeks we were up quite a bit. The next 2 weeks after that, we were doing quite well. So as you can see, pretty straightforward here. And so then our results for today, on Monday you can see we're up $344, Tuesday $384, Wednesday $544, and Thursday we were up about $182. For the results since we started 72 days ago, we started at 30,000, we're up 7,694, which is 25% in 72 days, and the annual rate of return is 130%. Now, don't think we're going to always get 130%. We don't do that. We don't get that much in our fund. I wish we did, but we get about double what the market is, but not 130%. So here's a chart that shows you where we are with the 6 trades a day challenge. Again, check the other videos on the channel. You'll see the exact times that we go in at. You also see all the time, not all the time, I think we put on about 39 of our daily trades in our big fund. If you're interested, we do exponential moving averages, multiple entry iron condors, we do opening range breakouts, we do reverse iron condors, we do double calendars. We do about 28 strategies throughout the month, and typically, like say, 120 to 150 trades a day. We never ask you for any payment. We're just doing this for trying to make traders better by showing you what we do. What we do ask for payment, though, is in the comments, if you could tell us how to make these videos better, or if you come up with some ideas for topics, we would sure appreciate it. We're very new to this, and we're struggling. Production value is bad, I know, but we'll only get better. At any rate, I hope you have a great trading day. See if I can get